Water, the elixir of life. To bring this elixir to you is nothing short of a miracle. Transported over the ages through various ducts, tubes and pipes, water finally reaches its outlet after being used. Every stage of its distribution requires a robust pipe network. Today, Ajay Pipes is the answer to the industry's requirement for a complete plumbing and drainage solution.
India is poised to become an economic superpower. Infrastructure and real estate sectors shall play a crucial role in this growth.
Ajay, Plumbing for Life. Celebrating over 50 years of innovation, Ajay pioneered UPVC pipes and hoses and soon became India's largest supplier of automotive sealing and injection molded components. Providing water management solutions where none existed, today Ajay is the world's largest manufacturer and exporter of hand pumps, and soon also became India's largest refrigeration door gasket supplier to OEMs across the country. Inspired by the success, Ajay introduced a revolutionary plumbing system in India, Ajay Pipes. And doors were opened to new generation fenestration solutions and products. The final feather in the cap was a successful electrical and lighting parts division, making Ajay an extraordinary company solving ordinary problems.
At Ajay, our vision is to become the most respected and #1 plumbing products company in India.
At Ajay Pipes, quality is king. Using American raw materials and European technology to give you the best.
We are determined to develop many more innovative products in order to offer the most advanced piping solution for every need.
Ajay offers complete range of internal and external plumbing and drainage solution, focusing on performance, quality and durability with solutions that are value for money and easy to install. Ajay Flowline Plus, the most advanced CPVC hot and cold water pipe and fitting system in India, which is designed to last 50 years, is 100% safe for drinking water, withstands hot water up to 93 degrees Celsius and is leak-proof. The product has several unique features offering 25% higher pressure performance. It is the only NSF certified system in India and includes several patented superior performance fittings. Ajay Green Line UPVC cold water pipes and fitting system is a high-strength product for use up to 60 degrees Celsius, having high-pressure bearing capability, is 100% corrosion resistant and is designed for a long service life. The product is unique due to its suitability for drinking water, using granule technology for higher strength fittings with many patented features for superior performance. Ajay Drain Line soil, waste and rainwater drainage system comes with pipes and fittings made from virgin UPVC compounds for a strong and rigid system that offers long life and is maintenance-free. This unique system comes with inbuilt new generation DM Seal technology for easy leak-free installation and products with appropriate water seal for foul odor prevention. Ajay TerraLine is a novel underground drainage system which is designed to offer leak-free performance, is lightweight, easy to install, maintenance-free and has a long service life. This system comes with anti-rodent technology, non-return anti-flooding valves, high-strength molded inspection chambers and superior pipes made with triple-layer foam core technology for higher stiffness and material saving. Our manufacturing sites, warehouses and sales offices are strategically located in India and across the globe. Our facilities are certified by ISO 9001, ISO 14001 and OSAS 18001. Ajay is the first company in India to use state-of-the-art machines to process pipes and fittings. Our products are certified and approved by many of the leading international and Indian institutes. The products are developed by a dedicated team of innovators and designers. Quality, performance and consistency are then ensured by a comprehensive laboratory facility. Here, raw materials and finished products are tested as per international standards. Further, feedback from the field goes back to the designers and technicians to constantly develop and upgrade products that solve everyday problems. These products are then brought to you by a 500+ strong distributor network and excellent sales force. So, you are never too far from a product that you need.
In a very short time, we have created a comprehensive product range, a pan-India support team and a robust distribution network. We shall continue to strengthen our channels to ensure that our products are available across the length and the breadth of the country.
We go that extra mile to educate and inform. We hold frequent training workshops and seminars for plumbers, contractors, distributors and dealers. This helps grow Ajay's biggest asset, its people. We invest and engage with our employees and our customers in an unparalleled manner. And the results are visible in the tremendous record of prestigious and satisfied clients across the country. This is how Ajay Pipes has become a brand widely recommended by architects, preferred by engineers and loved by plumbers.